Sorry, but you need both CapCut and FILMORA to remove watermark officially. You can see FILMORA here. Let me open it. As you can see, I have my project here. When you have successfully completed the whole project, you have to just export it normally. Let it finish. After it's finished, you just have to go to effects and search for rotate. As you can see, the rotate effect is here. Drag it and maximize it till the end of the video. Now it is upside down and export it again with the watermark. It is now exported. Now you can safely close FILMORA. Now you have to use CapCut. Before using it, first of all, connect to a VPN. I have already made a video on how to use a VPN. After it gets connected to a VPN, you can safely open CapCut. After opening, create a new project. After opening, import both the videos. Add your first video and add the second one directly up. Now rotate the upper video 180 degrees. Then go to mask section and add mask and select split. To get rid of FILMORA ending screen, select and cut it, select and cut it and delete these both. And now you can safely export the video. As you can see, we have successfully removed the watermark. Thanks for watching.